Hi there and welcome to Go For It DIY, and today we'll be reviewing our DeWalt cordless mitre saw. We've had it for 2 years now and we wanted to give you our thoughts on it so far. So this is the DeWalt DCS365N cordless mitre saw as sold in the UK. It runs on a single DeWalt 18-volt XR battery and has a compound sliding action. The mitre angle can go from -48 to +48 degrees, and there are click stops at all the usual positions. To change the bevel angle, you need to undo a lever at the back and move the saw head to the desired angle. The left-only bevel can only go from 0 to 48 degrees. The saw comes with a dust collection bag, but we bought a cheap Draper shop vacuum cleaner for extra dust collection. When we bought the saw, we also bought a DeWalt DE7033 mitre saw workstation. The workstation is portable and relatively light and easy to erect. You simply push in the levers on the inside to open the legs. The workstation also has support for long lengths of material. You just pull out and lock off the work supports. The workstation extends from 1.7 to 2.5 meters for use with large workpieces. The mitre saw itself is just over 10 kilograms and simply clips onto the workstation. We bought the mitre saw to help us with the stud work we needed to do for a complete ensuite bathroom renovation project. The saw was used for all of the stud work cuts. The vast majority of the stud work material was 2x3 CLS timber. We were using a circular saw to cut the stud work to size. But it was much easier to get precise cuts with our mitre saw. You can lower the blade and see a shadowed cut line, making cutting to exact lengths easy. Mind you, we found the shadow line was not visible in sunny conditions. Recently, our shower started leaking water. To investigate, we had to remove the front trim to see what the problem was. Turns out our plumber had done a poor job of silicone sealing around the shower tray during installation. Water was seen leaking out of the back corner. After completely replacing all of the silicone work, we had to accurately cut and fit a new front trim panel from plastic cladding material. Our mitre saw produced a clean and accurate cut through it. We trimmed it to the required length, fitted it, applied silicone sealant all around, and it worked out well. We have used the saw on many other projects around the home, including this planter made out of cut lengths of 2x4 timber. Having a saw that can cut exact lengths at precise angles made the job very much easier. Would we recommend this saw? Yes, we would. It's an ideal saw for DIY use without the expense of larger, more capable saws that are heavier and require more power. It's lightweight, robust for DIY use and cuts very accurately. You can't do trench cutting with it as there is no adjustable depth stop. And it doesn't have a dual bevel at the back, so you have to rotate material around to get a similar effect. However, it's cordless, which means you can use it anywhere, and a 4-amp-hour battery seems to last us for a full day's work. It's not too noisy. It's been reliable and easy to clean. And it tucks away nicely when you need to store it. Do you have one already, or are you thinking of getting a mitre saw for your DIY needs? So far, we have been very impressed with this saw. Thanks for watching.